Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing Minecraft, and I'm building my lovely ship here. But this sail's rubbish. I just can't do that sail. So we're gonna destroy it. Yeah, you can hear that sound. I'll make it all break down to the floor. Those crumbs of paper down. Like, this is not a song. Do you like me beautiful singing? No, I guess not. But you just subscribers. Don't unsubscribe because I'm singing. Please. And I don't even think I've got any subscribers because this is a new channel. And I have very few views. Very few views. I guess some of you guys have watched the Diamond Minecart // TDM. I bet some of you have. If not, you like YouTube. If you don't watch the Diamond Minecart, what else do you watch? Leave that in the comments, guys, and if you have a channel, write it down into the comments, and I might check it out. And if it's good, I like it or anything, I'll subscribe. But anyway, so we are going to. I have a mod on at the moment. It makes me run really fast. It's not the fast mod, it's 2 blocks, but it still makes me run really fast. So guys, we're back to the sail. So yeah, the episode I'm building this pirate ship for might be coming soon, but anyway. I am a noob at building sails. I'm like the poop noob in my comic. On my poster, I make called Pink Sheep's Revenge. If you don't know Pink Sheep, if you've watched Exploring TNT, you'll know Pink Sheep, or Pink Sheep's channel, you'll know Pink Sheep. But anyway, so we are building the sail. So this is the sail. So, hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just think I might end it here. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you all later. Goodbye. Bye guys, see you later.